All right, I got a fun one for you today. We got Wheel in the Sky by Journey. This has got some great chords and great little riffs in it, and it's got a cool little intro. Check this out. Okay, so if we go through all that intro, it's like a D minor chord. You just go down the strings, and then we're going to hit this 3 on the bottom on the way up to this. Now you can do that a couple ways. You can do it like this. Maybe reach that a little bit easier. So we got the D minor, the little 3, 5 and 6. So 5 in the little one, 6 on the second. And then it's 3 and 6. So we got. And then we're going to go to a C shape. We're going to do the bottom 3 strings, open, 1, and open. So this is going to go. So we had that little pull off here. So we got O, 1, O, then little open, and then pull off. Once we do this pull off, we're going to go 3, open, 1. So the open was on the small string. So once again, we got D minor, 3, 5, 6, 3, 6, C chord. So then we come to the D minor again. 3, 5, 6, 3, 6. Then we're going to come up to this new riff on the 8th fret, 8, 8, and 9. So we go down the strings and then back up to the little one, and we pull off 10 to 8 there. And go to the 8. Now keep that finger there because we're going to go to that later. So that was a 10-8 to 8 on the second string pull off, and then a 10-8 on the second string to the 9. So okay, so the whole thing. And then back. Now this time we just go G, G, and then a B flat chord. 3, 3, and 3. And you can do that 1 on the bottom if you want. A lot of these, the 3-note thing is enough to make it sound big. So a lot of times I'll do those. So one more time through the intro. Okay, you let that B flat ring for a little bit. Then we're going to get into this new riff. So what that is 2, 1, 1, like part of an F chord. And that's a little bluesy riff. And then we get on that D, and that puts us in like a D power chord, where we got open 2 and 3, and we're going to hammer in on that G string to that 2 a lot of times here. So we got. Now the second time it alternates. We're going to go 2, 1, 3, 1, 3 to the same D type of thing with the hammer on. So once again, a little bit slower. That's 2, 1, 1, 3 chord. So it kind of got strum, a strum, bowing, strum, a strum, bowing. And then a verse starts. We're going to have that same type of riff. And then we're going to have a we're going to go to a C chord, and then this part of a B flat, 3, 3, and 1 down here. So we got C. Now this measure won't finish on that B flat because we have that riff again at the end of it. So we keep doing that kind of stuff, and then we're going to eventually have the chorus is going to come in, and that's D minor twice, E minor, F, and then C for a whole bar, D minor, E minor, F, C. Three times of that, and then we're going to have a new thing. This is going to be like a 4-3-3 to 5-3-3. So it's kind of like a B to C type of thing on the lower note there. And then we're going to hit that B flat again, 3-3-1. And then we're back in. And then we got a new verse. And then at the end of one of those, you're going to have that da-da-dum, C, B flat, riff. So it continues like that on this verse part, and then you're going to eventually have this chorus. Once again, D minor, E minor, F to C. And then we'll have the, and then we're going to actually have that again, bum, 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 and then bum. We're going to stop that time. Now we're going to go into this solo. We're going to have this D thing. So this is a little different. It's like, and that's going to set up a solo that's going to go from D to C back and forth a few times, and then it's going to have a B flat pop in. So it's kind of like a. Now the solo will start, so we'll go D again. And then we're going to go C. And that one has a little pull off on the second string, third to first down there. We got that one down there. D, D power chord, C, D power chord, C. Then we got B flat to D. Then we got B flat, back to D. Then we got B flat. And then we got a little kind of a quick hit on D, and then we're going to come back in a chorus again. D minor, E minor, F, C. Three times again. Then we're going to have that little chord thing, the B to C sort of, and then B flat. And then we got this little riff again, 2, 1, 1, and then we're back to a D thing. 2 Ds there. Then that's just going to be a quick setup to have us go back to a repeating chorus to take us all the way to the end of the song. So that last thing was like. And then chorus. So that's 2 of them. We're going to do 8 of them actually. We're repeating the chorus here. So let's take that and slow that down a little bit. D, E minor, F. Let's try that. 2, 3, and. C, 2 and a 3 and 4 and. C, 2 and a 3 and 4. Let's speed it up a little bit. once you're done with all 8 of those, then you go and hit a B flat chord and let it ring out like that. That's the end of the song. So let's look at our intro one more time. We got that D minor shape. B flat. And then once again, we got our little riffs, 2-1-1 to that 3 there, which starts the D measure, the D5 power chord. Got that little hammer on. And here is that second riff, 2-1-3-1-3. So that's the main riff of the song there, really. And then watch for that 2-1-1, C chord, B flat, and then riff. So that's basically all those verse parts. And then we got that chorus again, we got that. And it's 3 times every time, except at the end when it does the 8. And then here at the end of those 3 chorus things, we got. And that was the 4-3-3 to 5-3-3 and then 3-3-1. Back to the riff. And then after the second chorus, we're going to have that. And then we're going to do it again. And stop. And that's going to take us into that solo. And then it starts D, C, with that little pull off. D again. And this isn't real D, like I say. This is, that would be this. This is just, we're muting the bottom string. So we're just trying to get this power chord part of it. C, pull off. So it's 3 times of this back and forth. Then we got B flat, back to the D. B flat, back to the D. And then B flat. And then there's like some kind of quick little couple of hits or something to get you back in that chorus. So I'll try to straighten that up on the tab. Take a look at that. That's kind of the end of the solo part. So here's going to be our chorus again. And I'll just skip the last 2 times. We got the bum, bum, and B flat. We got riff, da 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 da. Now here, just a couple Ds to fill space to go back into the repeat chorus. So basically you got the 8 more times of that and you're all done. You end on a B flat. Wheel in the Sky by Journey. Hope you dug that. There will be a tab, like I say. Thanks for watching Damon's Baritone Uke Joint, and we will see you soon. Take it easy.